Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set location access in all websites. So for you to do that, you have to open your settings on your phone, then you scroll down a little, then tap at Safari. Once you do that, you can scroll down a little, scroll down and tap at a particular option called location. Then you tap at it, then three options going to pop up under location. So under the location services, we have ask, we have deny, and we have allow. So from here you can set your location for all websites to be denied, or probably you can set it to allow or check ask. So when you put it on ask, it means whenever any website want to access your location, they will request for your permission. Then you can give permission. Then if you put on allow, then deny, definitely you deny the website from accessing your location. If you put on allow, that means it sets as automatic. Whenever websites want to access your location, then just simply have access to it. So it is more advisable to place it on ask. So whenever a website wants to access your location, they will definitely ask for a permission from you. If you find it helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.